Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. If a resource belongs to everyone, it's said to belong to the commons. It might be a piece of public land on which cattle are allowed to graze, or it could be a shared function within an organization, servicing many other functions. It becomes the tragedy of the commons when the demand put on that shared resource is allocated to optimize the parts using it, without any heed for the rate at which we can sustainably replenish the system. The cattle eat the commons grass and leave a dust patch. The shared function struggles to serve all the needs of the other functions and ends up exhausted as the system consistently underperforms. Global warming is a classic example of the tragedy of the commons. We have only a finite amount of atmosphere into which we can release greenhouse gases, and then the climate changes. No single country wants to forego the economic benefits of inexpensive fossil fuels. But if it continues that way, we may well bring on devastating long-term consequences. So, what's the way out? The first step is to understand the system in operation as a cohesive whole. The goal must be set for the system, not for the optimization of the component parts. In the organization, we need policies and performance measures which encourage overall system performance. For the system to perform at its sustainable best, some parts of the system may operate at a loss. In our communities and in society at large, we need laws which recognize that no one wins when our shared environment cannot sustain the collective demands made on it. Learning to recognize the tragedy of the commons archetype is the first step toward mitigating its effects. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.